leaving Townsville today and we're heading to Airlie Beach. We're in a bit of a rush because we're booked in on a sail around the Whitsundays. So we have to get there today.
I don't know if it's that much rush. It's 300 k's away. We're leaving pretty early.
No, I know. I just want to get there so we don't miss it. We've got things to organise when we arrive. We're going to try to find a place where we can store our bikes and our luggage. So
yep.
We need
a few
to
details to organise.
Yeah. A lot of sugar cane.
You get the sugar, then you get the flour, then you get the wiener.
We just stopped, where are we? Ari or whatever, something like that.
Somewhere in between Townsville and Airlie Beach.
Yeah, we've stopped to get some V's because I feel like I'm falling asleep on the road.
The long flat road.
Just long, boring road, plus I think the heat. Since we left Cairns, every ride we've needed to stop and get V's.
It's definitely a change in pace from what we were doing on the Cape, where it's just white knuckling it everywhere. Yeah. Now it's just like sit back, chill, just cruising along, and it's it's lulling us to sleep. Yeah. Can't even speak right.
My eyes just feel so heavy.
So yeah, stopping
to get some V's and to hydrate. I think you got to be careful when it's this warm. It just makes you sleepy.
Yep.
Anyway, I'll run in and get some.
Alright, careful.
Time to get back on the road. Yeah.
About 70 k's out of Airlie Beach now. Need another caffeine hit.
I am sleepy. I never thought you could feel so tired on a bike.
Yeah, it's true. Before going on the bike ride, we thought we get sleepy on long car rides, like road trips in a car. So on a bike, it'll never happen. It definitely never happens on a push bike.
I think it's just the heat.
Yeah, it just makes you
just so tired.
Makes you feel cozy. We have just shifted our sleeping patterns as well. We're going to bed. We're sleeping 9 till 5 at the moment, so we got up at 5 o'clock this morning. It's the first time, I think. The second time we've done that in the last 2 mornings.
Yeah, I'm just so tired.
Yeah, it'll be alright.
After this V.
Yeah.
We're almost there.
Almost there.
Paradise Port. Okay. This'll do. Oh yeah. Yes.
We made it.
My bum is sore.
And
I could just go to sleep. You know?
no, we can't do that though.
Why? Alright, I'll go speak to the lady. It's alright. We've arrived.
We've arrived.
And we can check in already. Our room's ready. It's hard riding in the heat.
It's tiring.
It's tiring. But we're here now. And just gonna pull in all our stuff. I would like to have a nap, but Jason thinks that we shouldn't.
It'll throw the whole sleeping pattern out of whack. You won't be able to, it's like jet lag. jet lag 101.
Yeah.
You don't sleep in the daytime.
Yeah.
Come on, babe. You know
Alright,
this.
let's just get the stuff in. It's hot.
The rest of the afternoon was spent catching up on work and organising storage for the bikes.
The following morning, we woke up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the high seas. So we packed a light bag, farewelled the boys, and headed down to the marina.
We were both super pumped. The weather was perfect and it was our first time to the Whitsundays.
We're about to board. We've just met our crew leader and a couple of the other guests. So
Yep.
let's do this. We're still waiting for 4 more people, so we're going to just board the ship now and
Check out our rooms. Wonder if I still got my sea legs.
it's like riding a bike, isn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
we'll see.
Anyway, I'm pretty excited about seeing the boat.
Were you guys sharing a bed or separate?
Sharing.
Okay, cool. Well, hop on in. So, this is your blue, your toilet. Make sure that you're probably overheard what I was saying. You go toilet.
No.
Okay. Oh, gotta repeat myself. No, we're fine. Yeah. So with the toilet, make sure you're not flushing anything.
Other than toilet paper?
Toilet paper, yeah. So no baby wipes, no sanitary items or anything like that.
Like a master suite.
The side things are a lot bigger than what they look, huh?
Yeah, a lot bigger than they look on the outside.
Yeah.
Sure.
I mean, I wouldn't think that I could. I can't even touch both sides. What are these? Oh, these light switches.
Nice. Home for a couple of days.
The next 2 nights.
We cracked open our bottle of bubbly and poured ourselves a drink. Now we were ready to set sail for the Whitsundays.
The crew untied the boat and gave us a quick safety briefing as we eased out of the marina. It was smooth sailing all the way out of the bay and everyone was in high spirits. Then things started to get a little bumpy.
It's pretty choppy.
It is pretty choppy. I think I need to settle into it.
We don't quite have our sea legs just yet.
No, not yet.
It's a bit bumpy.
Yeah.
I wouldn't say I'm seasick.
I feel like I'm just, it's rocking me to sleep.
Yeah.
I could lay down and go to bed. I'm feeling not well.
Yeah, I'm not feeling great.
Yeah.
She said once they put the sail up, it'll, or once we all put the sail up, I think we've got to participate in that too.
Yeah.
It'll improve.
Careful, Bubby.
All right.
Yeah.
Honey, you just need to stay low or come up to the front.
Whoa! Already had an accident. Oh man, my stomach! Keep going, pull!
Got a smacker on the back.
Look at that, you got her up. The engines are off now. The sails are up. I'm feeling a little better.
No, but I'll feel a bit better soon.
Yeah, I don't feel great, but I feel better. In hindsight, we probably should have taken some seasickness tablets before boarding, but it'd been a while since we'd been on a boat, and we just didn't think it'd be an issue.
So for our first evening, we decided to take it easy and lay off the booze. We got to know our shipmates, enjoyed a nice dinner, and had an early night.
Day 2 on sail. Day 2 on our cruise around the Whitsundays.
I'm feeling better after a night's rest.
Yeah, Jason's found his sea legs. Right?
Mostly.
Mostly. Yeah, mostly. Oh, I've got a bruise on my back. Yeah. We're going to Tongue Bay, which is apparently the back door to Hill Inlet and Whitehaven Beach. I'm pretty excited about getting back on land, if I'm honest. That feels better.
Ah, you feel it?
Yeah. Hey. Immediately feel better.
Don't forget about us. I think we've realised
We're not sea people.
we're land lovers.
Yeah. I don't know how this vlog's going to turn out because I just can't film on the boat. I just don't feel well.
Tough. I feel like I can appreciate the view for the first time.
Yeah.
It really is beautiful out here.
What does it look like?
Yeah, it's not bad.
Not bad?
Not bad.
Not bad.
What do you reckon?
Yeah, it's alright.
It's something else. We haven't seen anything like this before.
We're at Whitehaven Beach now, and that looks like white sand to me. I can't believe how soft the sand is. It's not even burning my feet. It's great. That's the famous Insta tree. Got washed up here. What storm?
Cyclone
Debbie?
Going to check out some stingrays and what do they call them? Lemon sharks.
Oh yeah, lemon shark.
Which are baby sharks that are apparently
They'll turn grey eventually. Baby shark.
baby shark.
Baby shark. And that's a stingray.
Yeah, stingray right there.
Wow. Let's go check out that shark.
I'm sure if he comes near you, you're going to be scared.
Baby shark.
You got you ready to scare him off? So we're here for an hour or so before we hop back on the boat
I have to
and go
admit,
cruising again.
I'm not looking forward to getting back on the boat.
I thought the seasickness was only affecting me, but
No.
it seems a few people on the boat are affected by it as well. They just don't whinge as much. You've got to be vocal about your feelings. Come on, it's 2021.
You can always count on you for that.
Yeah.
That's better. After some time on land and a couple of strong anti-nausea tablets, we were both feeling much better. So back on board, we spent the afternoon playing around, sailing to different snorkeling hotspots and hanging out exchanging travel stories. At the end of the day, we sailed into an amazing bay and dropped anchor for the night. Then we relaxed with a few bevies on deck, enjoying our own little piece of paradise.
It's our last morning as salty pirates.
There's a pregnant lady on board,
Who's also a doctor.
and she has just finished her morning sickness period, but she still had these strong anti-nausea medication. As soon as we took those, we were much better.
Did the trick.
Yeah, so we could actually enjoy just cruising around.
Yeah. Made a big difference yesterday.
Yeah. We even got to have a few drinks last night.
It was a good day. I'm still looking forward to getting back to land though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's been fun.
We're up early today to watch the
Sunrise.
sunrise.
Wow. I've got so many itchy bites.
Yeah, I think I've got a few this morning as well.
I don't know if I got them on here. I think they're just. Oh, I'm not scratching.
Don't drop it in the water.